After a considerable gap, OPPO launched the OPPO F9 Pro smartphone in the Indian market at an event in Mumbai. The F9 Pro comes with a water drop shaped display notch, updated camera features, and of course, the company's proprietary VOOC Flash charging support. This time, OPPO has concentrated more on design, bringing unique looks to the mid-range smartphone segment. The OPPO F9 Pro sports a 6.3-inch HD Plus display with 19.8% screen-to-body ratio. Having said that, there is little to no bezel on all the other sides, and the device is comfortable for one-handed operation. Talking about the placement, the OPPO F9 Pro has a volume button, dedicated memory and dual SIM slot on the left. The power button alone is on the right side of the smartphone. The 3.5mm audio jack, micro USB port and a speaker grill sits on the bottom of the device. The dual camera setup consists of a 16MP main camera and another 2MP camera with a wide-angle lens to enable depth of field effects. For selfies, the OPPO F9 Pro has a 25MP front-facing camera that can use OPPO's AI Beauty 2.1 feature and live filters for creativity. The OPPO F9 Pro also supports a super VOOC Flash charging technology, which the company claims will give users 2 hours of talk time with just 5 minutes of charging. This device is shipped with ColorOS 5.2 based on Android 8.1 Oreo, which brings a host of new UI features as well. One notable feature is the Smart Bar. It slides out from the right edge of the display. It has a shortcut icon for the camera, taking a screenshot, and your most frequently used app. The OPPO F9 is powered by octa-core MediaTek Helio P60 chipset and has a 3500 mAh battery. On papers, the OPPO F9 Pro will compete with the likes of Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro, Asus Zenfone Max M1 Pro, Honor 9N, and Nokia 6.1. The OPPO F9 Pro is now up for pre-order through Flipkart and will go on sale offline and online starting from August 31st. Do hit the like button, share and subscribe.